Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. We were talking about infancy stage. We will discuss about cognitive abilities of an infant now. Piaget has given a concept called constructivism, which means according to Piaget that children actively construct their understanding of the world. And how do they do that? They just use their senses. So the concept constructivism says that they keep on constructing the knowledge of the world, the idea of the world through the immediately using their immediate experience through senses. So they don't go beyond anything which they sense, and each stage is characterized by a distinct way of thinking. The stages which are given by Piaget, he has also given different stages, cognitive abilities at different stages. So he's saying that each stage is marked by a distinct way of thinking which is related to the age. For example, at infancy, there is a concept of lack of object permanence. What is object permanence? Object permanence means we know that the objects are there permanently in the universe. If I have a pen with me and I am not able to find my pen, I am still looking for my pen. That means I know that my pen is there, it exists in the universe, and I need to find it. That is object permanence. But at infancy, this concept is lacking. And if you remove something from the front of the child, because if he is not able to sense that thing, the child thinks that the thing has gone, it does not exist. So that lack of object permanence is there during this infancy stage. And vocalization begins with the infant's babbling sometime between 3 to 6 months of age. So the age which is 0 to 2 years is particularly marked by this lack of object permanence. And next, when we move on to different stages, we will see that the child has different abilities, cognitive abilities, which is given by Piaget as the stages of cognitive development. So, birth to 2 years is known as sensory motor stage, where he focuses on the immediate experiences of the child through senses only. Then, 2 to 7 years is known as a pre operational stage. Then, 7 to 11 years is known as concrete operational, and formal operational stage is 12 years and above. So, according to Piaget, what happens is when the child is at infancy stage, the child explores the world by coordination through senses and sensory experiences and physical actions. So, he uses senses to see and to understand the world around him. When the child enters this stage, 2 to 7 years, which is known as pre operational stage, the symbolic thought develops, object permanence is established here. Now the child knows even when the toy is not present in front of him, the child will look for the toy. He can coordinate with different physical attributes of an object. At 7 to 11 years, which is the concrete operational stage, the child can reason logically about concrete events, classify objects into different sets, and is able to perform reversible mental operation. Reversible means the child can count in reversible manner also. And it is known as concrete operational stage because the child can think about concrete objects but not imaginary. Here also, one thing is important to note: the imagination is not built as much as it is built in the next stage, which is formal operational stage, that start at 11 years. So from 11 to 21 years is known as formal operational stage, where the adolescent, now the child is known as the adolescent, and that adolescent can apply logic, think more abstractly, hypothetically, and thinking and imagination develops. So these are the four stages which are given by Piaget, and these are known as stages of cognitive development. Thanks for watching.